Okay, so the item we're going to talk about today is the Cold Steel Special Forces shovel. Um, I've done a previous video on this before, but not like a straight up using video. So if you look, it's got two heavy duty screws, Phillips head in the sides. I've already used this one a little bit, not a whole lot. It's sharpened on four sides, so all the way around it's sharpened. And it's a little bit, almost a little bit blunter right here, but these are very sharp. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a hack test with it and see if it'll chop like a machete, and do a little bit of digging. But let's get into it right here. We'll start at the slim end and see how it does. Okay, so it chops that off. Okay. Okay, so we know it chops thin stuff. Let's go with something a little thicker. And basically, I'm just wanting to chop to see if it'll cut like a small hatchet, or see if it'll double as a small hatchet. Okay, let's see if it'll split this thing. All right, let's see if it'll do any kind of feathering. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, it's sharp all the way around. And I like too that it's got these bends on it to where you can get your hands in there and not be touching the edge. You can also use it as a foot, to put your foot on there to get more leverage on it. So all right, so it'll do digging tasks. Man, it chops like nothing else. I'm telling you what, that's really nice. Let me try it on something that's already been cut. So yeah, it's making curls. It's crude, but it works. So that said, I cannot recommend the Cold Steel shovel enough. They've also got another one that's got a longer handle on it that would probably be a little more useful if you were going to use it for like a truck tool or something like that. I've even seen people say if their oar broke in a kayak, they could use it to paddle with. But again, you're going to want the longer handle one. What I actually might do, I think you can order the longer handles and then you can just swap them out if you needed to. So that's what I might do is just, I've got the small one. I may go on and order a longer handle. And so that way I've got a little more versatility with it.